Right, good morning. You join me on the walk from Sainsbury's to Deal Station, where I'll be travelling over to Clapham Junction for apparently a 700 being dragged to Eastleigh. That's the new one. So, let's catch the 11:30, well, 11:28, over to Ashford to travel to Clapham via Waterloo. The 11:28 South Eastern service from Ramsgate to London St Pancras International. '27 Hannah Cockcroft. Yeah, I thought it was refurbished. Right, let's get on. Get this to Ashford. Well, I'll get a normal one to where I'll get a 375 over to Waterloo East. £12.19 Donsmore to Stewart's Lane. '21. To Stewart's Lane.
On the 10:55 South Eastern service from London Victoria. This train comes
465001. I'll change towards the east. Due to the train crew being delayed by service disruption because of a points failure earlier today. 375816. Right, made it to London Waterloo, catching these pair of 455s over to Clapham Junction. Overtaking us outside of Clapham is 4 Yankee 19 from Mountfield to Southampton, 66798. Justine. I don't know why it's passing us outside the station. Well, there's about 200 trains going behind us. Right. Six, 7, 9, 8 to Southampton. The 14:35 London Overground service from Clapham Junction to Dalston Junction. 378150. (378-150) to Dalston Junction. G1555 London Overground service to Clapham Junction. 378-150 again. Oh well, never mind. At least we know how long we've been here. It's been longer. At the same time, it's taking this to get up to Dalston and back. With transport for London arriving on the right hand side, D1420, South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to London Waterloo. Four five eight four two one. Four five eight four two one. 458410. Right, after having iPhone troubles at Wandsworth Road, now made it back to London Waterloo for a train from Waterloo East to I don't know what it is. 1632 to Windsor Eton Riverside. $450.038 to $450.064. $450.064 and 38 to Windsor and Eton Riverside, or Windsor and you can see it. It's my train, the 1807 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate via Dover Priory. 375924. Okay, now leaving platform 2 is the 2025, actually slightly delayed 2020 South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. Leaving train on 375924. Walking along because taxi's already here. Well, to be fair, I'm 5 minutes late. Well, not for the taxi. 375924 to 375910. Nobody's on it. To 811. 375921. No. Well, what we had now. Whatever we had, 8, 11, 9, 10 and something. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's 921. Anyway, never mind. Oh, hello, what's this? Oh, this is 2026 to St Pancras. '29 David Weir. I won't film it out because taxis don't really wait. So I shall end it here. Thank you very much for watching today's episode at Wandsworth Road and everywhere else, and we'll see you next time. The 2027 South Eastern service from Ramsgate to St Pancras, 395029 David Weir. To St Pancras International via Dover. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.